3 hidden Baccarat signals the pros never ignore. Most players don't even notice them, but once you do, it feels like the game finally opened its secrets to you. Stick around till the end, because the third signal is so underrated that even experienced players overlook it, and it's one that top tournament players rely on every single match. Let's dive in. Signal number 1, the momentum flip. Baccarat may look like pure chance, but pros watch for something subtle. The moment a table's momentum flips. Here's what it means. You're watching a run on banker, 5, 6, 7 hands in a row. Most people jump on it, but pros, they look for the break point, the first odd result, the irregular win, the sudden tie, anything that disrupts the rhythm, because that's often where a new pattern begins. You don't have to bet big. Just place a small confirmation bet and see if the new direction holds. If it does, that's your green light. This tiny adjustment alone separates casual players from tournament-level readers. Signal number 2, the strong side leak. This one shocks beginners. Sometimes it's not about the streak. It's about the side that keeps winning the important hands. Here's how pros spot it. Watch which side wins after ties, after long player streaks, or during chopped patterns. If one side consistently steals rounds that should have gone the other way, that's what pros call a strong side leak. In tournaments, this is a huge tell. It means that side has the underlying edge in the shoe. Smart players simply follow it with modest bets. No chasing, no forcing, just riding the natural direction of the shoe until it fades. Signal number 3, the first 10 hands map. Extremely underrated. Here's the signal most players ignore entirely, but high-level players treat it like gold. The first 10 hands of every shoe tell a story. Are we seeing symmetry? Are hands alternating? Is one side clearly dominant? Are ties showing up early? Tournament players don't guess how the shoe will behave. They read these first 10 hands as a map. Based on what they see, they choose strong side strategy, chop strategy, pattern follow strategy, or conservative flat betting. It's like choosing the right tool before the game intensifies. If you want to feel in control instead of confused, start paying attention to those opening 10 rounds. They reveal more than most players realize. You can memorize strategies. You can follow patterns. But what truly elevates you is the mindset. Treat each shoe like a story, not a gamble. Watch the first 10 hands. Spot momentum flips. Track strong side leaks. Make decisions based on signals, not emotion. It's exactly how top Avantage Baccarat tournament players operate. So which Baccarat signal are you going to start looking for first? Tell us in the comments. And if you're ready to take your game reading to the next level, join us at Avantage Baccarat, where you can watch real global tournaments and learn from the best players in action. Play smart, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.